Welcome to your new home. You're beautiful. Oh, so satisfying. The joy. The pristine. No scratches. It's beautiful. Come on. Let's go outside. I had to take it out in the sunlight just to truly appreciate what Black Beauty looks like here. Just how the sun glints down the side like that. Incredible. Geez, those rims are beautiful. Like, those tires do look good. Don't get me wrong, guys. But I think the other ones will look better. Oh my goodness. Let's turn it around. See, when I learned how to drive full size, this is exactly the truck I learned how to drive in. Except it had a gray stripe down the side. I'm going to have to make a hitch for it so it can pull my trailer. Might even tape under the body so it doesn't have that Lexan crackle. But geez, that's sharp looking. That's a cool view. She too pretty. She ain't got enough scratches or mud on her. Take off the portal axle covers, grease it up. Make sure you got some proper dry lubricant in the appropriate places. Any kind of grease on the outside just kind of attracts dirt and gums everything up. Brushed motor. Not a scratch on the diff housings. Too new, I say, too new. So clipless body. I'm going to push the 2 tabs under here. 2 tabs in the back. Just lift it. Oh yeah. Whew, minty. So a lot of people don't like sound kits in their RC trucks. They can get annoying from time to time. I get that. But I do find the Sense Innovations ESS-Dual sound card that's programmable to have the greatest engine lope out of all of it for these old trucks. Okay, got my 3S 5000. Sticker in there off to the side. Go ahead and just hook that up. Oh, if the speed controller's LED is already green, the low voltage detection is already activated. Oh, it's already activated. All right, next thing is to put it into trail mode. There's 5 different modes for a vehicle like this. A lot of people watching may know this already, but if it's your first time watching, this has a sport, race, training, trail, or crawl mode. 4 blinks is trail mode, which is similar to sport, which is quite quick, but with the added drag brake, basically when you're going down a hill, when the throttle trigger is in neutral. This allows it, basically the motor, to slow your descent. I'm going to hold this on. It's off right now. Then I'm going to push the easy button on the ESC. Then I'm going to wait for it to blink red. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's trail mode. Done. So my LiPo cutoff is on. Trail mode is on. I should have some drag brake, and we should be able to do everything that we need to here. Let's take off the chains. All right, fire in the hole. Nice and smooth. Yeah, baby. Only lock the back diff. If you swing the front end around. Very good. Now I don't have a snorkel on this, so I'm not going to go past my hood. But this is the first time these TSL boggers have seen any kind of water. Let's lock up that front diff again. No problem. She's deep just to the right of me. Staying away from that puddle. Uh-oh. Good, yeah. So perfectly stable. Yeah. That was nice. Oh, carburetor issue. That stalls out on me every once in a while when I'm up in the air like that. That's all right. There we go. Secret to this will be to keep rolling. No quick break there. It'll be doing end over end. the middle current looks like the easiest, the deepest, but the easiest. Yeah. Sometimes there's nothing else you can say except yeah, because the feeling of joy. Well, with the cost of fuel these days, I'm gonna head her back. Such a great looking machine. Gotta wash those tires off for the trailer anyway. Might as well have some fun. She is a black beauty. Awful deep on that left-hand side. Right, we got this. Got that air filter outside the water. That was close. Yes. I gotta be careful in my tie downs. I don't want too much tongue weight. Well, this is where rear steer actually gives me quite a bit of assistance on a turnaround. Good to see a little dirt on you.